Dinesh, there's news coming in as far as the Twin Towers of Noida are concerned. Supreme Court has granted 1-week extension for demolition of Supertech's Twin Towers in Noida. A bench headed by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud has given additional time to Noida authorities till 4th of September. Earlier, the top court had directed that the demolition be carried out by 28th of August. But now there is more time. There was also a plea moved that the charging of the Twin Towers, which had to be undertaken towards the first half of this month, if the demolition had to be carried out on 28th, then that charging had not begun till yesterday. I think the process has been started only now. The company which has been given the contract for demolition had said that unless the process of charging is completed, there is a danger that the towers could fall on their own, and in which direction they would fall, how much of damage they would then cause to the neighborhood, that is very uncertain. So it was a very tricky and precarious situation in which these two towers were in, and Supreme Court has now intervened, given more time to the Noida authorities. Ananya Bhatnagar is with me on the story. Ananya, why was this plea made for more time? Why did Noida Authority want more time?
Well, the Noida Authority had said that the demolition process takes a little bit of time, and hence it requires more time, since there can be exigency, and in case they would need certain time period in order to complete this demolition, because it's not only a one-day process that it gets completed. The debris also has to be cleaned, and in case there is some exigency or some natural calamity like the rains or some other sort of natural thing that happens, then the demolition might not take place, and hence it sought extension of the time period which the Supreme Court agreed to, and has said that in case the demolition is not completed by August 28, remember that first when the Supreme Court had given out its verdict, it asked the Noida authorities to complete it by August 21, but later on the Noida authorities had knocked the door that it needs some more time, because there are some things that have to be complete, some procedures have to be complete, and hence the time was extended to August 28. And now finally again the Noida authorities had knocked the door of the Supreme Court, saying, expressing some difficulties, and now the top court has said that the demolition should be complete within a period of August 29 to September 4 in case it's not complete by August 28. So extension has now been given to the Noida authorities to complete this particular demolition. Remember that large amount of explosion materials have also been brought in by the Noida authorities in order to complete this demolition process, and it was a very significant verdict, because the Supertech was also asked to pay a huge amount to the home buyers who had bought who had bought flats into these twin towers and whose homes were delayed particularly. But now the time has been extended in this particular case, and the demolition would now have to be complete between the period of August 29 to September 4th.
Right. Ananya Bhatnagar getting us those details. Thank you so much for joining us. Political